Okay, so to transfer data from the monitor to your PC or laptop or whatever, you will need to download the IQ-CAN app, Sync app, and on your phone. And once you get that downloaded, you're going to open it up, and then you're going to click on Get Log from Machine. And then it's searching for the Bluetooth app adapter. It found it, so then we need to connect. Just press OK on that. And then there's the logged information in the monitor, so you want to highlight that. And then I always mail it. So I click on Mail. It's downloading the data in the monitor. And then once it's downloaded, you type in the address, who you want to send it to, and press Send. And it's going. I can do that. I can put my email in here, like that. Press the Send button. And that email has been sent to my email address. All right, so after you have emailed the downloaded information to a desired email, open the email, save the attachment as a document, save it, and then open up the Minic web page. Click on vibrators, scroll down and click on vibrator monitoring, AVCC2, open that up, go down to download log converter, open that up, and then click on enable editing, click on enable content, and then click on the box that has the import data. And then take your download data, your saved data, put it in the file name, click open, and then it makes you a nice spreadsheet, easy to read out of what your downloaded data is. And it records the date, time, distance traveled, relative humidity if you have that option, temperature if you have that option, and then all your vibrator speeds. This was a 48 vibe system, so it recorded vibrators 1 through 48. It's a nice, easy to read spreadsheet, very user friendly. Thank you for watching today. It's a pretty straightforward and user friendly system. If you have any questions, please contact Minic Manufacturing. Thank you.